key lime diet Bacardi drink. We're gonna start with Bacardi lemon. And you know, I already had the key lime juice because I made the key lime pie. So I'm like, okay, so what can I make with this? We're gonna start with a glass. And I am going to muddle, which I forgot my muddle, hold on. Cut it like so, like this. And I'm gonna drop it in. Yeah. Then I'm gonna muddle it up. Just get it juicy, as right? See? Then I'm going to take Bacardi lemon. I need a drink today. I'm gonna fill the whole shot glass up. Cheers. And it's going to the party. I'm gonna do like a little drop of vanilla because I want it to kind of taste sweet without having to put sugar in it. And I want it to have that like pie taste. So I'm just doing a little, boop. That's plenty. Now I'm gonna grab some ice. Here we go. Okay, so I got that going. I feel like I need more ice in here. Hold on, I'm gonna get more. There we go. So let's see. I'm gonna put just plain old seltzer water. I like the seltzer because the bubbles are bigger and it makes it like, I don't know, fancier, better, more delicious, all of those things. Fill it up. A little bit more than the ice. Then, I'm gonna put this in here. Nelly and Joe's famous Key West lime juice. I'm making this up as I go. I hope it's good. Not even like the whole shot glass, like a quarter of it, maybe a little more. Let's see. I'm so scared. Is Melissa going to delete this video or is she going to share it? That is the question. It's a little tart. Hold on. I know what it needs. Don't go anywhere. It needed this. Sprite Zero. Do it. It's so good. Let's review. We muddled some lemon, got it juicy. We put a drop of vanilla, did a shot full of Bacardi lemon. Then I covered it with ice. I poured the soda water in it, the Sprite Zero in it, because it made it way better. Just a quarter of a shot glass of key lime juice and you've got your 4th of July drink. You can serve key lime pie and then you can have a key lime cocktail. So good. Try it, guys. Bye.